We've mapped every inch of the moon. We've sent probes to Mars, even to the edge of our solar system. And yet, more than 80% of Earth's ocean remains unexplored. That means right here, on our own planet, lies an alien world we barely understand. A world deeper, darker, and more mysterious than anything beyond the stars. Because when you descend into the deep, you're leaving the known world behind. The ocean is divided into zones, each one stranger than the last. The sunlight zone, where coral reefs thrive. The twilight zone, where light begins to fade and strange, glowing creatures emerge. Then comes the midnight zone, pitch black, freezing cold, where pressure crushes steel like paper. Below that lies the abyss, and finally the Hadal zone, found only in the deepest trenches. Down there, life exists under pressures 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and yet it survives. At 10 kilometers deep, the water pressure is over 8 tons per square inch, enough to crush a human in seconds. Yet bizarre creatures thrive here. Anglerfish with glowing lures, translucent squid, and shrimp that see heat instead of light. They live in a world without sunlight, surviving on chemical energy that seeps from the Earth's crust. It's life, but not as we know it. Proof that biology can adapt to almost anything. Some scientists even believe these extreme environments mirror what life might look like on Europa or Enceladus, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Beneath the waves lies a landscape more dramatic than any on land. Towering mountains, deep canyons, and volcanoes that never see the sun. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, drops nearly 11 kilometers. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Down there, the temperature hovers near freezing, the darkness is eternal, and the silence is absolute. But life still clings to the walls. Proof that even in the most hostile places, existence refuses to die. In 1997, scientists recorded a strange sound deep in the Pacific. A low, powerful rumble they called the bloop. It was so loud it was heard over 5,000 kilometers away. At first, many thought it was a massive creature, larger than any whale on record. But later analysis pointed to shifting icebergs or underwater volcanic activity. Still, the ocean is filled with unexplained sounds. Distant booms, metallic echoes, rhythmic pulses. Some have no known source. It's as if the deep is speaking a language we haven't yet learned to understand. Near underwater volcanoes, scientists discovered hydrothermal vents. Cracks in the seafloor spewing mineral-rich water hotter than 400 degrees Celsius. Around them thrive entire ecosystems with no sunlight. Giant tube worms, glowing shrimp, and bacteria that feed on sulfur instead of oxygen. These are the only places on Earth where life is powered not by sunlight, but by the planet itself. And some believe this is where life on Earth first began. Deep beneath layers of sediment, scientists have found microbes that have been dormant for millions of years and still come back to life when revived. Some samples date back to when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. If life can survive this long in the dark, what might still be waiting untouched in the deepest corners of the ocean floor? The next frontier of exploration might not be space, but the sea. Submersible robots now explore depths humans can't reach. Companies eye deep-sea mining for rare metals, while scientists race to protect fragile ecosystems. Because the more we uncover, the more we realize how little we understand. Beneath those crushing depths might lie cures for diseases, or species that defy evolution itself. The ocean is not just water. It's a living memory of Earth's past and maybe its future. It hides mountains taller than Everest, creatures stranger than fiction, and secrets older than humanity itself. We've spent centuries looking to the stars for wonder, but maybe the greatest mysteries are still waiting, right here beneath our feet, because in the ocean's silence lies the heartbeat of our planet.